You all have enjoyed your Sunday?
Ma'am.
So ready for your class? In the mood to start the class or not? Want to study? Yes, good. So you are ready for the study. I'll be just waiting for 1 more minute, then we will be starting. Okay, I should tell you, you can take any story and you have to role play that. Okay, you can be a Cinderella, you can be a anything and can say the lines of that. Anything, you can take any story and you can role play that. Anyone is there to do that? Anyone can do anything. Means I welcome Krisha's mother for the story. We are privileged to listen the story from ma'am. So please a huge round of applause for ma'am. Everyone give a huge round of applause. She is a doctor by profession, but she is there to, she will be reading the story for my kids and for us. So I'll be honored to call ma'am, Amrita ma'am. Over to you, Amrita ma'am.
Fine.
Very good.
Sorry ma'am, I
I think
was
so,
not
ma'am.
there.
No
Yeah,
problem. No problem, ma'am.
yes ma'am.
So
So
shall I
ma'am
start,
is
ma'am?
there to tell you the story. So there is a new ma'am who will be telling you the story. So let's listen to ma'am. Yes ma'am.
Good morning and Jai Hind, everyone. Yeah. Uh, Myself, I am Krisha's mother. Today I am here just to tell a small story to you all. Are you interested?
Yes.
क्या आप लोग तैयार हो?
Show the thumb.
Yes,
Everyone.
yes, they are. So the story which I am going to tell you today is the story of the mongoose and the snake. कभी सुना है ये story? So this is the mongoose and the snake. ठीक है? So once upon a time, there was a farmer and his wife. And he had a small son, newborn son. एक समय की बात है कि एक किसान था. Hello?
Yes, ma'am, you are
Am I
audible.
audible?
Yes, ma'am, you are audible, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Thank you, ma'am. तो एक समय की बात है कि एक किसान था और उसकी वाइफ रहती थी. उनके साथ उनका एक छोटा सा बेबी था. तो किसान और उनकी वाइफ, द फार्मर एंड हिज वाइफ ऑलवेज थॉट ऑफ गेटिंग अ पेट, क्योंकि उनको दे हैव टू गो टू देयर फील्ड टू लुक आफ्टर देयर फील्ड. सो दे वर वरीड कि मेरे बेटे को कौन देखेगा, हु विल लुक आफ्टर माय न्यू बॉर्न सन. सो दे थॉट ऑफ गेटिंग अ पेट. उन्होंने सोचा कि हम एक पेट लेके आए. सो दे डिस्कस्ड एंड दे गॉट अ स्मॉल पेट विच वाज अ मंगूस, मतलब एक नेवला लेके आए. ठीक है? तो ऐसे समय धीरे धीरे पास होने लगा. आफ्टर अ मंथ, एक महीने के बाद एक दिन ऐसा हुआ कि फार्मर और उनकी वाइफ, दे बोथ हैव टू गो टू द फील्ड टुगेदर, लीविंग द चाइल्ड अलोन एट होम. ठीक है? उन्हें ना फील्ड पे जाना पड़ा अपने खेत पे किसी काम से, सो दैट कि कुछ कर सके, और घर पे उनको बच्चा अकेले छोड़ना था. ठीक है? तभी क्या हुआ कि they were worried कि वो छोटे बच्चे को कौन देखेगा. Then the farmer wife, she told, the mongoose is there ना, it will look after the child. उसने कहा कि मंगूज है जो हमारा पेट एनिमल है, वो बच्चे का ध्यान देगा, बच्चा वैसे भी सो रहा है. And then they left from the home. Now at home, when the boy was sleeping in his cradle, तभी क्या हुआ, one snake was coming towards the baby. तो मंगूस ने देखा कि अरे ये the snake is coming to the baby, ये तो बेबी को काट भी सकता है. So he went and he fought with the snake. उसने इससे इतना लड़ाई किया कि उसे मार दिया. He killed the snake. तो snake मर गया. And when the snake was dead, उसकी blood मंगूस के मुंह पे लग गई. It was on its mouth. ठीक है. तभी क्या हुआ, कुछ घंटे के बाद जब फार्मर की वाइफ वापस आई, तो उसने देखा कि अरे मंगूस के मुंह पे तो ब्लड लगा हुआ है. देयर इज सम ब्लड ऑन द माउथ ऑफ द मंगूस. शी वाज वरीड. उसे बहुत टेंशन हुई. तो उसने क्या किया, शी थ्रू अ बॉक्स टुवर्ड्स द मंगूस. उसने मंगूस को मार दिया. तो मंगूस वहीं पे, उसको चोट लग गई, वो वहीं गिर गया. She ran towards the room. वो रूम में दौड़ के गई, just to see what has happened to her child. वो देखने गई कि उसके बच्चे को क्या हुआ है. But she found that the baby was sleeping in its cradle and the snake was lying down. A dead snake was lying down. एक मरा हुआ सांप उसके बेबी के पास पड़ा हुआ. तो उसे समझ में आया कि ओ नो, ये क्या किया मैंने. मंगूस ने तो मेरे बच्चे को बचाया है. The mongoose has saved my child. उसने मेरे बच्चे को कोई नुकसान नहीं पहुंचाया है. उसने तो उस सांप को मारा है जो मेरे बच्चे को मारने आ रहा था. So she was very filled of guilt. उसे लगा ओ नो, मैंने ये क्या किया. वो दौड़ के बाहर आई. And then she saw, oh no, ये क्या, मंगूस भी मर चुका था. So she started shouting loudly, crying loudly कि मैंने ये गलत किया. So in this way the story ends with the moral that think and react. कोई भी काम करने से पहले सोचो, फिर कुछ करो. Don't take action in haste. जल्दबाजी में कोई भी एक्शन ना ले. So
Thank
with
you,
this
ma'am.
I end
So,
up the story.
Aparna ma'am is here, ma'am. So,
Jai Hind,
good
ma'am.
morning and Jai Hind, ma'am.
Jai Hind, Jai Hind.
Good morning again.
Good morning and Jai Hind, everyone. And a special Jai Hind to Krisha's mother here. I'm very, I'm very thankful to you, ma'am, that you have taken out your precious time for our kids. And you told story. I was there at the end of the story, but what I felt, that was very interesting story that you have selected for our kids. So thank you once again. And as you know that this week we are celebrating as Reading Mahotsav week. Okay, so every day we will come with very interesting activities for the kids, and the main purpose behind doing this activity is to enhance the reading skill among the children. So I would like to request every one of the class to come with your favorite story book in the class, so that you can get chance to read the story book not only in your class but in other classes also. So thank you once again. And Harmeet ma'am, I will be giving a thank you letter to also to you, so that you can share with Krisha's mother. Okay ma'am, thank you so much for this. Okay.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I would just like to say thank you so much to Sunbeam School Principal ma'am, Aparna ma'am and Harmeet ma'am. They gave me chance just to speak in front of the kids. Hope they enjoyed the story. Yeah, I'm really thankful. At least, no problem. Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Pleasure, our pleasure. Okay, ma'am. Please continue, Harmeet ma'am. Okay. Jai Hind, children.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. That was literally a precious word from ma'am to you, ma'am. Yes, it was an honor that you were there with us. And I feel that most of the parents will join us for this, and the story was awesome. As ma'am has told me yesterday that I'm not a good storyteller, but I don't know why ma'am has said that. She was awesomely explained everything. And in fact, I was feeling like a kid that ma'am was teaching us such a lovely story that yes, we should think and then we should react. The story was very nice that there was goo, okay, the mongoose was there, parents were so they were so they were very careful about everything, that how their child should be there. And but at the last, the ending was little bit not good. Why? Because she haven't think that what she is going to do. So many times we used to do the same thing. हम देखते नहीं, कुछ समझते नहीं और किसी को कुछ भी बोल देते हैं, कुछ भी कर देते हैं. So before doing that, we should see what the thing has happened in our surrounding. तब हम react करें तो हमें अच्छा लगता है. So please, I want to tell everyone should give a huge round of applause and a heart to ma'am. She said the work she has done for us was appreciable. I just told once yesterday, ma'am, and she was ready. She was always ready, whether it is night, whether it is day. She never say no to, means I don't know for others, but she never told no to me. Every time, whenever I say, ma'am, ye hona chahiye aap kar, yeah, ma'am, I will be there. Still, she is working lady, but she always come and always will support us, whether it is a school, whether to me, whether ma'am, every time she supports a lot. And in fact, every parent supports us with this. So I want that everyone should come up with the story and the student will enjoy that their parents are saying the story as the same way. So you all like this, kids? Show me the thumb if you have loved that. Krisha, how you love that? Mama ने कभी पहले story सुनाई है? Krisha? Krisha?
Yes, Daddy. Yes, ma'am. Yes, Daddy.
You can come with your mom. कभी नहीं सुनाई है? कल सुनाई थी. So आज मम्मा ने सुनाई, कैसी लगी? Yes, today mama has said so nicely. So how you feel?
Very happy.
You were very happy. So you love that your mama came to your class and she just told us a story. You love that?
Yes, ma'am.
So you were happy, na?
Yes.
Yes. So that's what I want that every kid should do and should be there. We should be more happy. So yes, I want to say you. Yes. In fact, you should all say thank you to ma'am. She is there for you all. Okay. She was very happy that I should tell the story for my kids. So you should appreciate her. Yeah. And one more thing, as I was not aware of the thing that you have to do a role play, that as ma'am has said, you can take a storybook or a story from your phone. Just be like that. Zaruri nahi ki pura वैसे बनना है. You have to just show the expression. If you are Cinderella, be like a Cinderella and say 2-3 lines about this Cinderella. Okay. So I'll be waiting for this at 11:10. So we'll be doing this at 11:10. Okay. You all will do with me. So I'll be waiting, and thank you so much, ma'am, once again for coming and saying such a lovely story for my kids. Thank you so much,
My
ma'am.
pleasure, ma'am. I feel so happy that all the kids are there and they listened me so nicely, ma'am. I'm happy that I became a part of this reading Mahotsav. I didn't know, ma'am. Yesterday when you asked, ma'am, I was in my duty, but I thought I can make it because it is just matter of 5 minutes, ma'am.
Thank
So
you so
I
much,
did it,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Ma'am, sometimes this
Thank you
5
for your
minutes,
kind words. Thank you so much for your kind words, ma'am.
this 5 minutes sometimes makes someone lives, and this 5 minutes sometimes get appreciable by someone. So I think so. This
Yes,
5
ma'am.
minutes was
Thank you so
very enjoyable. In fact, I was enjoying every time. I have to say, today I was feeling that yes, someone is telling to me, and I was literally enjoying the story. So it was a nice story
ma'am.
from your side, and it was literally a good moral and lesson for us. So thank you so much, ma'am. And I think so. We are a proud teacher to say that we are having a proud parents for this. So thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much. So hello, Bubbly Jubbly. How are you, beta? How are you? See, now he will say us the story. Avin, he will say the story. He will say the story. What happened, beta? Hello. Hi.
Say hello. Hello, hello, बोलिए hello. Hello.
Oh, you cry. Don't cry, beta. He's crying.
Man is crying.
Okay, so we'll be meeting at 9:40. We are having a special assembly for sick day. Wear kurta pajama, the one who is saying, and the girl will take a dupatta and the boys will have a handkerchief. And if they can wear the turban, they can wear the turban. No issues. Okay, so I'll be waiting for you all. Thank you. And if you can say a role play at 11:10, I'll be very happy. So till then, bye-bye. Take care. Jai Hind. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot once again. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you again.
Bye.
Bye. Bye, kids.